So this is video is very important to share and July 25. Mga kabatcher is impeachment to Sara B.P. Sara Duterte. Forward blog which is spoken person allowed to Filipino people because stage of Filipino people for the President Duterte election o pagiging president niya as very worse and big trouble the worst. So this is double gonger because ang tatay niya nga diba ay ganon, very to deliver prime humanity and back time to the Philippines people. It's more power is very double topic. So mga didilis, mga Duterte blogger o Duterte people as supportist Sara Duterte. So dahil ang mismo na talaga ang nag-impeach yung mga senator at congress. So andyan sila sa posisyon. Ay mga tao, wala naman sa posisyon ng mga tayo. Ang people is working to government in their life. But government is work to the people para sila mabuhay at kumain. So, kailangan nila magtrabaho sa government para din sa mabuhay at sweldohan ng gobyerno. Hindi kalukuhan niya ang people na nagpapasweldo sa government. People as individual. Government is a leader. So, control ng government ang people. Kailangan nilang sumunod para mabuhay sa gobyerno. It's very common of very older scientific words. Okay? Kung ikaw ay alipin o manunulat o whether you're spoke to leader or writers before your height level as your height position because you are leader, so kailangan sumunod ng mga helpers na ito. Kaya panoorin nyo ang speech ni Trillanes here July 2025 in longer to election and 28 ba? Diba? 30 or whatever. So yun para sa akin, hit the Marcos because papapatay daw sila at ipapapatay daw yung kanyang asawa at yung bangkay daw ng tatay ni Marcos ipapatama sa Philippines skeleto na ngayon. So yung mga ganitong tao hindi ito normal. It's just a very brainwashed father kasi mga anak si Sara Duterte kaya gagawin niya kung anong ginagawa ng tatay niya. Friends is not fully in our Congress or whatever higher politician in politics and never become because work friends is not